It's been what? Forever. Hi guys, this is JMK and I just want to go through my Instagram right now and see what's up. I can see that my followers grew while I was away. I mean, that's good. So Okeke Onyono Masimba said, I really wish to meet my secret admirer. I'm from Tanzania. Oh, hi Tanzania. Hi Okeke. I would like to meet you someday too. Thank you very much. This is Mr. Fresh. You're an amazing person. Love from London, UK. Thank you, Mr. Fresh. All right, this is Toyo C. I'm so proud of you and your journey in all of this. I'm so psyched that you had fun in the house. Love that your highlights were full of laughter and good times. Rooting for you, baby girl. Going to the industry and break ground. We day here for you and we pin. Thank you very much. This is Unwodu Ebuka. He said, congratulations on your successful stay in the house, JMK. Prosper CP said, hello baby, thanks for making us proud. Oh, thank you guys. Excited to what's about to come. All positive energy here, okay? Thank you so much for the love and support. Love you guys. Mwah.